खाटू वाले की जय, श्याम प्यारे की जय।
Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Our Classes. In the previous video we had done about the Bodhayan theorem, which is also known as Pythagoras theorem. Now today we will do about the converse of this theorem. So the converse of this theorem says, in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. So what it is, in Bodhayan theorem we were given that it is a right angle triangle, and you had to prove that the square of one side, that is the square of the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. Now here it is just the opposite of it. We are given a triangle ABC in which AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. The square of this side is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. And what we have to do? We have to prove that this triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. And which angle will be 90? It will be the angle opposite to the first side, that is the angle opposite to AC. So in order to prove this, we are going to have a construction. We will construct another triangle DEF, which is right angled triangle, where angle E is right angle. Also, we are going to do it in such a way that DE is equal to AB. This DE and AB, they are equal. Also, EF and BC, they are also equal. So angle E, as I told you, it is already 90 degree. Now using this triangle, we are going to prove that the triangle ABC is also a right angle triangle. So let's check out the proof of it, that how it is to be done. Now here, take this triangle DEF. Now in triangle DEF, because it is a right angle triangle, so what we have, angle E is equal to 90 degree. Now because it is a right angle triangle, we can apply the Bodhayan theorem on this. So applying the Bodhayan theorem, DF is the hypotenuse. So what we have here, we have DF square is equal to DE squared plus EF squared. So this is what we get here, and this is by Bodhayan theorem. Now we also have, by construction, what we have done is DE is equal to AB and EF, it is equal to BC. This is by construction. We have constructed this, that DE and AB are equal, EF and BC are equal. So substitute these values in first equation. Hence from equation 1 we have DF squared equals to AB squared. Now instead of DE, we will replace it with AB, so it becomes AB squared plus EF will be replaced with BC, so it is BC squared. So we have this now, that DF squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Also we have AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. This is given. We are already given that AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So from equation 2 and 3, now you comparing these two equations, what we get? We get DF squared is equal to AC squared, or DF is equal to AC. So we get this. Now after doing this, say this is equation number 4. Now take these two triangles, that is in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Now here we have AB equals to DE. This is by construction. We also have BC equals to EF. This is again by construction. We have done this. AB equals to DE and BC equals to EF. And we have just now proved that DF and AC are equal. So AC is equal to DF. And this is from equation 4. Now we see here that all the three corresponding sides of the two triangles, they are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. This is by SSS congruence rule. We are making them congruent. So the two triangles are congruent. Now because the two triangles are congruent, then it means that the corresponding angles will be equal. So the corresponding angles, that is angle B, will be equal to angle E. These are the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But angle E, it is 90 degree. Hence angle B is also 90 degree. It is better you write there, therefore angle B equals to angle 90 degree, because angle E is 90 degree. So we have proved that angle B is 90, and because angle B is 90, hence triangle ABC is a So hence it is proved that ABC is a right angled triangle. So this was the converse of Bodhayan theorem. Now let's move towards the next. It is a theorem only, but it is the result based on Bodhayan theorem. There is a result, some extra results are there which are based on Bodhayan theorem. So let's begin with it. It says, in an obtuse angled triangle ABC, whose angle B is an obtuse angle and AD is perpendicular to BC, then AC squared equals to AB squared plus BC squared plus twice BC into BD. It is twice the product of BC and BD. Now you can see here this ABC, it is an obtuse angle triangle where angle B is obtuse angle, and AD is drawn perpendicular to BC, which intersects CB when produced at point D. So this is 90 degree angle here. Now in this obtuse angle triangle, AC squared, AC is the side which is opposite to the obtuse angle. So AC squared equals to AB squared plus BC squared plus twice BC into BD. Now this can be written in a statement form also in another way. It says that in an obtuse angle triangle, the square of the side opposite to the obtuse angle is equal to the sum of squares of the remaining two sides and double of the product of one side and projection of the other side on the first side. Now here it is given that in an obtuse triangle, the square of the side opposite to the obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is this, and the side opposite to it is AC. So square of the side opposite to the obtuse angle, that is AC squared, is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Now the remaining two sides are AB and BC. So it is the sum of AB squared plus BC squared and double of the product of one side and projection of the other side on the first side. So double, it is already twice. Product of one side, that is side BC, and projection of the other side on the first side. Now the projection of this side AB is considered as BD. This is the projection of this side AB on the other side. So it is BC multiply PD. So let's move towards the proof of it. Now you are given here a triangle ABC where angle B is obtuse angle, and you have to prove this, that AC squared equals to AB squared plus BC squared plus twice BC into BD. Now the proof, if we begin with, you can see here we are having a right angle triangle ADB. So if you take in triangle ADB, it is a right angle triangle. So what we have AB squared equals to AD squared plus DB squared. This is the Bodleian result, or you say it is the Bodleian theorem. So by Bodleian theorem we get this result. Now if we take triangle ADC, it is also an right angle triangle. So also in triangle ADC, here we again have AC squared equals to AD squared plus DC squared. This is again by Bodleian theorem only, the square of the hypotenuse. In this triangle also the hypotenuse is AC, the other two sides are AD and DC. So this is again by Bodleian theorem. Now this we can rewrite it like this: AC squared equals to AD squared plus DC. Now this DC can be written as DB plus BC. So it is DB plus BC whole square, and we can further rewrite it using the identity A plus B whole squared. So it is written as DB squared plus BC squared plus twice DB multiply BC. Now after rewriting it like this AD squared plus DB squared, from first equation we have here AD squared plus DB squared, it is equal to AB squared. So we'll replace this. So AC squared equals to AB squared. This AD square plus DB square, it is equal to AB square plus BC squared plus twice. Now DB into BC, you can rearrange them and rewrite it as BC into BD. So this is the result which we had to prove. So if you have any such situation that you are having a obtuse angle triangle and you have a perpendicular in this, then you can straight away use this result instead of proving it. So this is what we have, and we'll discuss the other property or the other result in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you all.